In this video we are going to look at bond energy calculations, and in particular we are going to look at how to calculate the energy change that occurs during a chemical reaction. There's no formula or equation for this, but rather a series of 3 steps that we need to follow. To look at those steps we are going to look at an example. So here's our example question. Calculate the energy change when hydrogen reacts with oxygen. When you are given a question like this, you will also be given the reaction equation with the bonds being displayed. So we can see here that we have 2 hydrogen molecules with the hydrogen-hydrogen bond, 1 oxygen molecule with an oxygen double bond. They react to 2 water molecules, and in the water we can also see the oxygen-hydrogen bond. You will also be given the bond energy for these individual bonds. So the bond energy for the hydrogen-hydrogen bond is 436 kJ per mole. For the oxygen-oxygen bond it is 498 kJ per mole, and for the oxygen-hydrogen bond it is 464 kJ per mole. Now we are going to look at the first step. Step 1. Calculate energy out, or the energy of the bonds broken. 2 hydrogen-hydrogen bonds and 1 oxygen-oxygen bond are broken in this example. So we have to do 2 times the energy of the hydrogen-hydrogen bond, which is 2 times 436. This gives us 872 kJ per mole. And then there's only 1 oxygen-oxygen bond, so this is 498 kJ per mole. And finally, to get all the energy in of the bonds that are broken, we have to add both of these together. So we have 872 plus 498, which gives us 1470 kJ per mole. So we have to remember this number for later. Now step 2 is calculate energy out. So we have to calculate the energy of the bonds that are made. In total, 4 oxygen-hydrogen bonds are made in this example. This is because in each water molecule there are 2 oxygen-hydrogen bonds and we have 2 water molecules. So we get 4 in total. So we have to do 4 times the bonding energy of the oxygen-hydrogen bond, which is 4 times 464, and this gives us 1856 kJ per mole. So energy out is 1856 kJ per mole. Again, we need to remember this number. Now step 3 is our final step, and here we have to calculate the energy change, and energy change is energy in minus energy out. Now we can just use those numbers that we calculated before and plug them in to this little equation here. So we get energy change equals 1470 minus 1856, and this gives us an energy change for this reaction of minus 386 kJ per mole.